Hello, good day everyone, welcome back to this channel. This next repair is Clarion car radio, it has no power. Let's remove the cover and test voltages. The ACC and memory supply is present. Let's test the 5.2 voltage supply for the system control. The 5.2 voltage is good. Let's push the power again and see if we have a display now. Still not working. Let's remove the front panel and the PCB board from the frame, to see the other parts at the surface of the PCB board. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you. See this black glue? I think this is the reason why the radio is not working. It will damage the PCB when the unit is getting old. It will cause rust on the PCB, and become a conductor. Let's test the glue with analog tester, range in X10K. See the glue has continuity, let's test the other. It has continuity. Let's remove the glue and see if the printed has rusted, and see if the lines is cut. This one line is cut, so let's put a wire to connect. The open line is now connected. Sorry, my camera doesn't record on how I solder the wire. Let's try it now. Let's see if will work. The radio has power now. I'm lucky because only one line is cut. Let's put the speaker now. The car radio is now working good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again next time.
For more details. Promo runs from July 1 to September 30, 2024. Per DOH FDAC.